여기서 자기 거 더 잘할 것 같은 사람. Rose, you want to go in first for the intro?
내 머릿속엔 can't get you out of my head, my head.
Rosie, a Korean girl that was raised in Australia. And she stays here till like 6 o'clock a.m. just in the studio. Sometimes I'm like, wow, you're still here?
Can't get you out of my head. 밤새 비워낸 병에 색은 blue.
Ooh, you already killed that one. Jisoo, straight up Korean girl that grew up in Korea. She's the 언니 of the group. She's the oldest.
I'm ready for love, I'm ready for love.
She does have that professional poker face. I've known Jisoo for, let's say, good 6 years. Seen her cry once. She's super smart. A lot of people might think she's book smart, but I would say she's street smart.
I'm ready for love, I'm ready for love. 오, 깜짝이야.
Lisa from Thailand. She's always got that cool, calm, it's gonna be okay, we're all good, smile.
I'm ready for love, I'm ready for love.
But when it comes to certain moments, you know, when the music starts, when it's crunch time, she has this executioner killer instinct.
기다릴 것도 없잖아.
Jenny, born in Korea, but moved to New Zealand.
이 색깔을 보여줘.
She's super clear, her opinions, her emotions. She's a perfectionist.
Yeah, 그저 아쉬울 때만 돼. Yeah.
All those different cultures in one pot, it's just different how they walk, how they talk, and how they dress, and the perfect balance, how they complement each other. It's fascinating.
I'm ready for love.
We're just Korean people trying to do music, so if Korean people makes music, it's K-pop, I don't even get it, like, it's Korean pop. So it's, the only thing is language. Why don't they do that for every country? What is K-pop?